Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook app ad on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the social media section next to the whiteboard button. At the Facebook section, you can find the Facebook app ad. And you can upload pictures, videos or audios to the Canva, and you can choose pictures or videos from your gallery from your device. You can add graphic elements, stickers, photos, videos, audios, grid frames and others to your Facebook app ad. And if you go to the design section, you can find different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the color, just tap to the square icon next to the design button and just select another color and done. If you want to change the picture, just go to the gallery or the uploads button and select the pictures and drag it the frame and done. If you want to change the color, just click that and type your text. If you want to change the font size and the font style, just tap to the arrow, and here you can find different font type, and if tap to the plus icon, you can edit the size of your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.